Budget day is always a special day. 2 years ago, 1st February 2021, Nifty had made a 600 plus range. After that, only today, Nifty has made another 600 plus range. Difference is, that was gain all the way, and today, hardly any gain or loss. FIIs and DIIs, both are net positive in cash segment. But, amazingly, Adani Enterprises has lost more than 1 lakh crores in market capitalization in a single trading session. Look at the chart of Adani Enterprises shareholding pattern in the next slide. With such a small floating stock, this seems to be a prime candidate for short squeeze in coming weeks.